In this video, I will show you what to do if your account or your advertising account on Facebook is permanently restricted. For your information, there are several types of permanent restrictions, and there are varying degrees upon how you will be able to advertise again if it is permanently restricted. And then I want to explain the various types of restrictions that will be permanent and what you can do with any of them. Okay, so as you can see here we are seeing identity confirmation field. We are always looking for the security of our community. Because your identity can be confirmed, you won't be able to request a review. Or you may see something like, after a requested review of your account, we confirm you didn't comply with our advertising policies or other standards. You can no longer advertise using Meta's products. And this is our final decision. It's always a very big blow, and it looks like that's the end of your business. However, there are several other ways that you can still go through to advertise. And then let's look at what we can. Now, if your Facebook page is permanently restricted, the option for you is that you can create a different Facebook page. That's if it is a Facebook page, not an account. Okay. Yeah, and that one, you may not like it, or you may still want to use that old page. But for the sake of the permanent restriction, there's nothing that you can do. So you may have to create a new Facebook page. That is if it is a page. However, if you create a new page and it has the same name as the old page, they will disable it again. So take notice of that. Okay, so we'll go on to the next option. If it is an ad account that is permanently restricted, you can create a different advertising account in Business Manager. If you don't know how to do that, check the video above to do that, and you'll be able to follow it to do that. Now, if you also have a permanently restricted Business Manager, you can also still check the video above. It will be able to help you get your business, be able to create a second Business Manager so that you can continue your advertising. So that is either if it is a page, a Business Manager, an ad account, you can do all that. You can create either a new page, a new Business Manager, or a new ad account. However, if it is a user account, that's the personal user account that you are restricted, it is the worst of all the restrictions, because that one you cannot, if you create a new user account, normally it will come with problems, and if they detect, they will disable it again. So if it is an ad account, if it is a page, if it is Business Manager and the identity confirmation fails, or it's a violation of policy and it is permanently disabled, you can still create another Business Manager or page or ad account. But if it is a user account and either the identity confirmation fails or it's a violation of policy and it's permanently disabled, there's no other option for you. If the identity confirmation fails and it's a user account, normally some people may tell you to go and confirm your identity for political advert. But that is not for reinstating an account in account quality. So ignore it. Even if you go and confirm your identity for political advert, it will still not help you. You may still also confirm your identity in Facebook for developers. It will still not solve the problem, because the only way that you can get the restriction removed is when you can confirm your identity in account quality. And once your identity confirmation fails in account quality, you will not be able to request a review if it is a user account. And how do you know it's a user account? You know it is a user account if you see the name on the account there, just like you see your name on the account. And if you come here, if you come to, let's say you log into your Facebook, and then you come to Ad Manager, You click on the three lines on the left hand side and go to account quality. Under account quality, this is what you can see. So under account quality, if you check here, you have Meta business account. If it's a business account, if you click here, you may see that restriction. Then if you click on Facebook account, if it is a user account, it will show under the Facebook account. If it is also a page, it will still show under the Facebook account. As you can see, under the Facebook account, you can see the user account at the top. You can see pages. So the pages that you can see here, if you have any restricted page, it will show there. If it is a user account, it will also show at the top. If it is a business manager, it will show under business Meta business account. That is how it will be. So if it is a business manager, or if it is a page and the identity confirmation fails and you want to confirm your identity again successfully, there is a video above. You can follow that video in order to be able to know how to confirm your identity successfully so that you can be reinstated. Normally, the reason why your identity confirmation fails is because you probably use an ID card that has a different name from your Facebook account or birth date. Your birth date and your first and last name must match it what's on your ID card. So if it doesn't match, that's why your identity confirmation will fail. So you follow that video to be able to know how to do the identity confirmation successfully. Now, if it is a user account, what's the way forward? What will you do if your user account is permanently restricted? Because if it is a user account and it's permanently restricted, you have nothing to do. You cannot reinstate that such an account. So in such a case, this is what I recommend. The first option is you can get a relative, a friend, a relative, or a friend, or someone who can agree to give you their Facebook account for you to log in to set your advert or your business manager. And then, but most of the time, unless it's a very close relative, they will not give you their account. It's very difficult. Even those that will give you, for the sake of privacy, there may be some disturbances that they may not like. Okay. The second option is you may create a new Facebook account, but Facebook, their system may detect it and they will disable it again because they use a lot of information on their system and they will detect that you are the same person. They will disable it again. And when they disable it and you use your ID, they will still know that you are the same person. So that may be that may also fail. The third option, you can contact us. We have all existing accounts available for sale. Remember that if you create a new Facebook account, you can't even advertise instantly. It has to take a long time. If not, if you advertise, they will catch you. But the accounts we are selling, they are accounts that have been in use for a long time. You can just, when you purchase any of them, just set up your business manager account, set up your page, everything. And when you are ready, we will just take you through everything and set it up for you. If you also don't need an account, but you want us to provide a one-on-one personalized guidance for you on Zoom to help you resolve any restriction that you have on your Facebook or Instagram account, we are available to help you do that through Zoom. So check the link in the description, follow it to contact us. You can WhatsApp us, you can follow the link to our online store to place an order so we can reach out to you to help you make sure that you bring everything back to order and you can advertise. It may look like that is the end for your business, but never give up. We have helped thousands of people in the last 2 years who are able to sell very well. People who their accounts were permanently restricted and they had no option. They were shut down completely, but we'll be able to help them come back even stronger. And now they are getting a lot of customers every day. So if you also have any problem that you don't even need to contact us, you can put it in the description, on the comments right now. You can put it in the comment section. And before I wrap up, remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. We have more powerful videos that can help you to be able to do well in your digital marketing and other online activities. Once again, have a great day. Bye.